Hello, today we will guide you through how to whitelist IP in Cloudflare. To begin, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Domains Overview page. This is where you can see the websites connected to your account and choose the one you want to manage. Once you're there, look through the list of domains and select the website you want to update. In this example, we're using example.com, but you'll choose the domain that applies to your own setup. After opening the domain, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Security. This section contains the tools Cloudflare uses to help control access, filter traffic, and protect your site. Since whitelisting an IP means allowing a specific address to pass through your security checks more easily, this is the right place to make that change. Inside the security area, click on Security Rules. This page is where you can create and manage rules that tell Cloudflare how to handle different types of traffic. If you already have existing rules, you may see them listed here. For this walkthrough, we're creating a new one. Next, click Create Rule. Cloudflare offers different rule options depending on what you want to do, so after that, choose Custom Rules. A custom rule gives you more control and lets you define exactly which traffic should be matched and how Cloudflare should respond. When the rule editor opens, enter a name for the rule. In this case, type something like whitelist IP so it's easy to recognize later. Giving your rule a clear name is helpful if you ever come back to update it, remove it, or review your security settings. Now click on the field selector and choose IP source address. This tells Cloudflare that the rule should look at the visitor's IP address when deciding whether the rule applies. This is the key setting for whitelisting because the rule needs to identify traffic coming from a specific address. Once that field is selected, enter the sample IP address in the value area. Be careful here because IP addresses must be entered exactly as intended. A small typo can cause the rule to target the wrong traffic or not work at all. If you're adding a real IP for your environment, it's always a good idea to double check it before moving on. At this point, you've set up the rule details needed to whitelist an IP in Cloudflare. Make sure everything looks correct on the screen, especially the selected domain, the rule name, and the IP source address field, so your configuration matches your goal.